So guys, free update don't show. Say I be queen update and they bring update back to back. You understand? This site is saying I've make use of it that I think last month or so. It paid me $18. See it on the screen right away. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is the first time I've coming across my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you will be first to get notified. And also, if you are old subscribers, please click the like button and share button for me. Also comment on the comment section. If you are having any issue, comment on the comment section, or you join our community group. The link will be on the comment section, our description area. You understand? So if you click the link on my comment section or description box, it will bring you there. It will bring you here. So all you have to do is to click on this thing here that I circled and look for your country code. Anywhere you are, look for your country code. You get? Mine is Nigeria. Please don't type it, because if you type it, you cannot see it. So you scroll, you click Nigeria, then you put your number. Let's say this is my number. You understand? You put your password. After putting your password, you come back here and click send verification code. They will send you your code either on WhatsApp. If that number is on WhatsApp, they send it on WhatsApp. You understand? You click this verification code here. If the number is on WhatsApp, they send it on WhatsApp. If it is not on WhatsApp, they will send it on your SMS. They will send it on your SMS. You understand? So once they send it, you click, you input it on this empty space here. You put it on this empty space here. Start creating your account. It will bring you here. Once it brings you here and you are not seeing any of this, all you have to do, you will see this something like human being, that red stuff there. Just click on it. If you click on it, you will click on this personal center. Once you click on the personal center, it will bring you here. You get? So once it brings you here, all you have to do is to click on this menu. You understand? Once it brings you like this, you have to click on this, minimize it to give you something like this. You understand? As you can see, I just log in today. As you can see, I have 4,000 diamonds. You understand? So basically, how this platform works, there are 3 ways you can earn on this platform. You understand? The first one is through signing in. You understand? Through signing in. After creating your account, you will see where they wrote sign in. Click it and sign it. They will be giving you 400 gems daily. 400 gems daily. And another way to earn on this platform is through playing game, which is if you click this 3 dot down here, or you click this menu here. You click this menu that I circle here. Once you click it, you will see lucky draw. You understand? If you click it, you can start playing game also. And another way to earn on this platform is by referral. You understand? Invite your people. Invite your friends to join. You understand? Let them join. It is paying. This is free update. This is free update. You can post on your WhatsApp. You can post on your Facebook. If you have TikTok, make a video concerning it. People will